Okay, so there you go. This is Camping World. Lots of great choices. It's bright, it's clean, and I'll tell you the people here are super nice. Hey guys, so I am at Camping World. Bum-ba-da-dum. If you can't see that sign, sorry about the jiggling. Here we go. Whoa, Camping World. Okay, and you know, Camping World sells RVs, they repair RVs. You know, it's one of the places that are pretty much everywhere across the country. And they have a store. So if I can, I don't think I can get the sign very well. I don't know. There we go. Camping World RV Sales. So yep, and you can get a Camping World. I think it's I forgot the name. A Good Sam Club card. It costs you, but it gives you discounts for gasoline and discounts at Camping World. So another place, like I said, they're pretty much everywhere across the country. I'm going to take you inside for a little bit and show you around. They're super clean, really, really nice, and like I said, you get a discount. Thanks.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Not to find anything
Yeah, Tim.
great. Go straight on this way if you don't see in the grid.
So I am inside Camping World. As you can see, lots of good stuff. Some things I couldn't find at KC Home and Auto, or the RV place I was telling you about. This is the other stuff I cannot find there. So if you're in KC, you might need to go to both places. The thing is, they're on opposite sides of the town. One's in Kansas City, Kansas, and the other one is way far out past Blue Springs. I think it's called Grain Valley. But they do have microwaves. They also have the toilets, but sadly, no composting toilet. I'm hoping one day those will pick up. Now they do sell the replacement bulbs that are LED. Unable to get those at the KC place in Kansas side. But if you notice that they also have the lights, not a big choice. You get more choices when you're over at the other location. And they even have your headlamps for your halogens and such. And Camping World offers lots of camping things. So it's really nice if you wanted to get just a little side table or folding chair. Here's something I need to pick up actually. I need to get one of these platform steps. I don't know if I want steel. I think the plastic would work fine, or just something else, or maybe even one of these. But if you need to replace all your steps, and a huge area for your kitchen. You know, so if you need to pick up something, I love these, the collapsible storage bowls. I have those, love them. Some fun plates. Now they have the Max fan, but they also have the Fantastic fan. So you do get choices here. Of course, the RV lids, some great vent covers. This is what they sell at the other location, but you have some choices here. Okay, so there you go. This is Camping World. Lots of great choices. It's bright, it's clean, and I'll tell you, the people here are super nice. So Camping World is located a lot of places across the country. Just go to campingworld.com and you'll be able to find them wherever you're located, probably. If not, they're pretty clear. They're pretty close by. Take care and thanks. So right down the street from Camping World in Grain Valley is this place called Lifestyle RVs. Now they're not open today. Sorry about all the jiggling. I'm holding it in my hand outside the car window. And this place is supposed to be not only a place that sells RVs, but also where you can buy parts for specifically a Jayco motorhome, which is what I have. So I was kind of excited to see it, but it's closed on Sundays. Of course, it doesn't help. This is Easter Sunday, so I won't be able to see this before I leave. But kind of show you where I am also. Across the highway over there. Not sure if I'm getting it. There's an RV park. And then a little further up from that is another RV park. I don't know much about them, but I was told that one of those are actually kind of nice. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and this should be posted up soon. Take care.